In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious party snack recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need crackers, prosciutto cut in half, cream cheese, mozzarella cheese sticks cut into 1-inch pieces, cherry tomatoes cut in half, and cucumber slices cut in half. Spread an even layer of cream cheese onto the crackers. Wrap the mozzarella sticks in the prosciutto. Once wrapped, you're going to place it on one half of the cracker. On the other half of the cracker, we're going to place a cucumber slice in one corner. Then we're going to place a cherry tomato half on the other corner. Our party snacks are complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy!